Support weight loss. May lower your risk of heart disease. Many important bone nutrients. May reduce blood sugar levels. How many chia seeds should you eat a day? What happens if I eat chia seeds every day? Can eating chia seeds reduce belly fat? Chia seeds are the tiny black seeds of the chia plant, Salvia hispanica. Native to Mexico and Guatemala, they were a staple food for the ancient Aztecs and Mayans. Chia seeds are small, flat, and oval-shaped with a shiny and smooth texture. Their color ranges from white to brown or black. These seeds are highly versatile. They can be soaked and added to porridge, made into pudding, used in baked goods, or simply sprinkled on top of salads or yogurt. Don't miss the end of the video. It is very important for your health. Top 6 health benefits of chia seed. Number 1. Loaded with antioxidants. Chia seeds are also an excellent source of antioxidants. 1 trusted source, 4 trusted source. Antioxidants not only protect the sensitive fats in chia seeds from going rancid, but also benefit human health by neutralizing reactive molecules known as free radicals, which can damage cell compounds if they build up in your body. 1 trusted source. For example, free radical damage contributes to aging and diseases like cancer. Number 2. Support weight loss. The fiber and protein in chia seeds may benefit those trying to lose weight. 1 ounce, 28 grams of chia seeds has close to 10 grams of dietary fiber. That means they're a whopping 35% fiber by weight. 3 trusted source. Although research on this topic is mixed, some studies suggest that eating fiber may play a role in preventing overweight and obesity. Additionally, the protein in chia seeds could help reduce appetite and food intake. Number 3. Lower your risk of heart disease. Given that chia seeds are high in fiber and omega-3s, consuming them may reduce your risk of heart disease. Soluble fiber, the kind primarily found in chia seeds, can help lower total and LDL bad cholesterol in your blood. In turn, this can reduce your risk of heart disease. Consuming ALA, the omega-3 fatty acid in chia seeds, has also been linked to decreased heart disease risk. Number 4. Many important bone nutrients. Chia seeds are high in several nutrients that are important for bone health, including calcium, phosphorus, magnesium. Many observational studies suggest that getting enough of these nutrients is important for maintaining good bone mineral density, an indicator of bone strength. 21 trusted source, 22 trusted source. In addition, ALA and chia seeds may play a role in bone health. Observational studies have found that consuming this nutrient could also be associated with increased bone mineral density. Number 5. May reduce blood sugar levels. Consuming chia seeds may help with blood sugar regulation, possibly due to their fiber content and other beneficial compounds. People with diabetes may experience high blood sugar levels. Consistently high fasting blood sugar levels are associated with an increased risk of several complications, including heart disease. If you like the video, please like it. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and press the icon so that these informational videos to reach you, and a good comment about the video, it is encouraged by you. Number 6. Easy to incorporate into your diet. Chia seeds are incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. They taste rather bland, so you can add them to pretty much anything. You don't need to grind, cook, or otherwise prepare them, making them a handy addition to recipes. They can be eaten raw, soaked in juice, or added to oatmeal, pudding, smoothies, and baked goods. You can also sprinkle them on top of cereal, yogurt, vegetables, or rice dishes. Plus, they work wonders in homemade fritters as a binding agent. How many chia seeds should you eat a day? A common serving size is 1 ounce, 28 grams or 2 to 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. Remember to drink plenty of water to reduce the risk of any digestive side effects. What happens if I eat chia seeds every day? Found that taking chia seeds daily can lead to greater weight loss and bone mineral content. 14 trusted source, 24 trusted source. That said, eating too many can cause some side effects, so start with a small dose, like 1 ounce, 28 grams, daily, And make sure to drink plenty of water. Can eating chia seeds reduce belly fat? And human studies show chia seeds may help reduce visceral belly fat in certain populations.